Cyber Monday Drone Deal. Bwine F7GIM Pro at lowest ever price. Cyber Monday shoppers have a limited opportunity to acquire the Bwine F7GIM Pro drone bundle at 47% off, marking the lowest price ever recorded for this model. The deal, which ends today, includes a high-performance drone equipped with a 6K camera, 4K video recording, and a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage. Key features and value: the Bwine F7GIM Pro bundle offers substantial value by including not only the drone itself, but also essential accessories: a carry case, controller, spare batteries, cables, and extra propellers. The drone boasts impressive specifications, including 10,000-foot video transmission and a 70-minute flight time with the included batteries. 6K image capture delivers high-resolution photos for detailed aerial imagery. 4K video recording enables smooth, high-quality video footage. 3-axis gimbal guarantees stable footage even in windy conditions. One-button operation simplifies takeoff and automatic return-to-home functionality. Price history and comparison: historically, the Bwine F7GIM Pro has retailed between $400 and $500, with occasional dips to $300. However, the current Cyber Monday price represents the lowest recorded value for this product. Amazon, $273.90. Walmart, $303.99. Who should buy this? This deal is ideal for users seeking a well-equipped drone bundle at a significant discount. It provides performance and convenience, making it suitable for enthusiasts and casual users alike. However, buyers prioritizing the absolute best-in-class performance may want to consider alternatives like the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, currently available at $500 off. Conclusion: the Bwine F7GIM Pro Cyber Monday deal offers substantial savings on a capable drone bundle. With limited time remaining, prospective buyers should act quickly to secure this lowest ever price before the sale concludes.